Update.
Hey
Update.
guys, wait, you could put on different. You could
Wait.
put on so many things. You can put on a shirt, a badge, pants,
Wait, what?
gorilla tag. Bro, look
Gorilla
at this.
tag. Who let you cook?
Look at this.
Exactly. Who let you cook? And look, there's more
And
new
then it gives
cosmetics.
you,
I
like,
already
your
read it.
character.
There's new cosmetics.
Alright.
And my other hand doesn't want to work.
Hold up. You got a big butt here, big
Oh,
guy.
I remember this. You can create new maps with this.
Shrink mode, grow mode.
You can make your own map, and then you can shrink down and play it.
What?
Yeah. See, look, there's trees and
Does
stuff.
that mean I can just wait? You could just
Yes.
Gorilla tag, you have undone the gorilla tag done themselves, bro.
Gorilla tag.
Gorilla tag.
Oh, it's like Legos. Look.
I got a tree, bro. I got a tree.
Bro actually got a tree. And then look.
Game monkey.
Look, and then look, you can shrink yourself in here. And then look, you can play the
And
map.
then there's a. Oh my god! The gorilla tag. You want? Wait.
Bro, what was your budget for
Look
this
at your
update?
left. Look at your wrist on your left. Look at the wrist on your left. It says press to grow.
Oh.
Hold to grow. Bro! And then it says press. Oh, never mind.
Well, since my wrist doesn't work, I can't really do that.
Just go to the grow.
I am.
Oh my god. Baby girl, you... Wait! You could put this down.
Hurricane, you
hold
sound so stupid with your thing.
God. Wait, is there? Tell me there's ropes. If there's ropes, I'm gonna fully love gorilla tag. Cause that means you could create stuff.
Yes, there is.
Ropes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love gorilla tag, bro. Love him so. Oh my god.
And it's a
I'm about to
flashback,
pee
I believe. No,
myself,
go
bro.
backwards.
There.
Okay, hold
Ready?
on.
Ready?
No, where are you?
2,
1. Oh. Oh!
Baby
Look!
girl, you know that I want you. Oh my god.
Really?
Baby girl. Wait, they put it with. Wait, these are what shiny rocks looks like. These are shiny
Oh!
rocks.
Hold on.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm about to pee myself, bro. I'm
For
about
real,
to
for
pee
real.
myself. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's
Oh
my
god.
Pookie. My Pookie.
Percy, bro, this is me. This is me all the time.
You for real, for real. Okay.
Ducky! Ducky, baby!
Done. I got a Glock in my Rari.
24 shots, yeah. Oh my god, they brought back the popsicle. And
Just equip everything pretty much.
oh,
What about
nothing on the second
rotating?
floor.
Hold on, check out the cosmetics first.
Oh yeah, true.
And does this work with my fit?
I know. But does this work with my fit? Hold up, I need to go grab more stuff.
Get back! What?
Bro, you
Hurricane.
can change all your stuff here now. Like your color.
Exactly. Rotating. Go to
Gorilla
rotating.
Tag outdid their stuff. Oh, I'm going back. Yep.
Which one's more scarier, new caves or old caves? This is the daily video not daily, but video question for this video. That makes total sense.
I wonder
Which one's
would
more
anything
scary,
happen-
new caves or old
Would
caves?
anything happen down here?
Probably not.
Nah, wait up.
Wait, should we check on Beach? Because this is the same update where Beach came out.
Where?
I have that already.
Yeah.
Time to get a Glock.
Hold up. What new cosmetic did they add?
I really want to get this.
I know. That used to be the OG gun in
How much is it? I need to learn these things. Chad, the daily tea is nothing! Oh no, Chad died. At 10 likes, I'll buy this and wear it for the next 5 videos. I'm kidding. At 15, no. Hurricane. Pick a number 1 through 30. Yeah, I can't hear you. $30. Okay, so at 30 likes,
Either want this or that.
at 30 likes, I'll buy this and wear it in the next 5 videos. Me and Hurricane are gonna make it just a giant ice map. Get rid of everything else. What if I just like grab this?
Block there. I just need to do
Where
a line of
are
ice
the
blocks.
middles?
Doing lines of ice blocks for this.
What sucks is that we're gonna have to add supports.